I just want to encourage you to, number one, if you are going to be on a birth control pill or any synthetic hormones, get on vitamin and mineral replacement. You at minimum need a multivitamin with methylated B vitamins, and you probably need magnesium as well. Those are like essential for anybody on birth control and synthetic hormones. You have to like double up on what you're getting because you're having so much trouble absorbing them. Get on my multi-lift, get on my B lift, get on my mag lift. Like, you will notice a difference. It's amazing. Number two, if you feel like you want to come off of those, there are other safer options. Okay. So I have a whole episode on birth control options and the true risks, benefits, and alternatives of those, because unfortunately, conventional gynecology is only telling you one side of the story. And so you're not really getting true informed consent. That's what I wish I would have had, because I would have went off them a long, long time ago and saved myself so many years of heartache, of my autoimmune condition being flared up and my IBS being way out of control and my depression being out of control. Like, I didn't really have those conditions. That's what they're called. That's what we call them. But really, I just had a microbiome imbalance from my birth control pill and a nutrient depletion. So I don't have depression. I don't have IBS. Those were diagnoses that were given to me because of the symptoms I had from the birth control pill. Does that make sense? So I really want you to just like take a step back and really think about what's going on and ask why, and question the answers that you're getting, because unfortunately, conventional gynecology is only showing you one side of the story, and it's a very biased side because they just don't have the tools to actually keep you healthy or return you to health. That's the biggest thing, is conventional medicine is a sick care model. They're very much focused on disease and giving you a pill for an ill and a surgery for a symptom. And what you are searching for, I have no doubt, is health and vitality and joy. And that's just not at the doctor's office. It's not in their medications. It's not in their pills. And it's definitely not in the birth control pill. So I am not against having control of a reproductive health. Like, I'm all for that. I just want you to have informed consent of what you're putting in your body, because if you don't need it, I have so many patients who take it and they're not even sexually active. They don't even need birth control, but that's what they've been given as their treatment for their other symptoms and conditions. And that is not the treatment. I promise it's contributing to more dysfunction and even maybe disease.